Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This is Muthu Meenakshi from Pon Vidyashram. I welcome everyone to the next session on Class 8 Mathematics, Chapter 2, Linear Equations in One Variable. Here we will be solving the remaining problems from exercise 2.5 and some of the problems from exercise 2.6. This will be part 10. Children, before moving on with today's session, let us see what is the full form of mathematics. I wanted to share this with all of you. See the number of letters. It starts with M and ends with S. We'll see the full form for each letter. First it is M. M for memory, A for accuracy, T for talent, H for hard work, E for enthusiasm, M for mind, A for attention, T for tact. Tact means skill. I for interest, C for cleverness, and S for sincerity. See the complete full form of the word mathematics. So how many terms are there in a single word? Memory, accuracy, talent, hard work, enthusiasm, mind, attention, tact, interest, cleverness, and sincerity. Now we'll move on with today's session. This is a continuation of the previous session. In the previous session we have solved till problem number 6 of exercise 2.5. Now this is question number 7 of the same exercise. So the question is 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. As I have told you, if a bracket is given, you need to multiply the number 3 inside the bracket with for both the terms, and similarly 5 with both the terms that is present inside the bracket. Now it is 3 into t, that is 3t, 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9, 5 into 2t, that is 10t, 5 into 1, that is 5. So in the next step, 3t minus 9 is equal to 10t plus 5. So bringing all the variables on one side and constants on the other side, it will be 3t minus 10t is equal to 5 plus 9, that is nothing but minus 7t is equal to 14. So the value for t will be t is equal to 14 by minus 7, that is nothing but t is equal to minus 2. If you are not sure of your answer, you can take the value of t as minus 2 and also you can check and see. You will get the same result, that is your LHS and RHS will be satisfied. To conclude, the solution for this problem is t is equal to minus 2. This completes this problem. Now we'll move on to the next problem, that is question number 8, that is 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. So we will see how to solve this problem, that is 15 multiplied by y, that is 15y, 15 multiplied by minus 4, that is minus 60, minus 2 into y, minus 2y, minus 2 into minus 9, that is plus 18, because minus into minus is plus, no? So it is plus 18, then 5 multiplied by y, that is 5y, 5 into 6, that is 30. So this will be 15y minus 60 minus 2y plus 18 plus 5y plus 30 is equal to 0. So let me combine the terms, that is the variable and the constant, which will give me the result as 15 minus 2 plus 5 into y plus, within the bracket you can write it as, because all are constants, no? So minus 60 plus 18 plus 30, that is equal to 18y minus 12, that is equal to 18y minus 12 is equal to 0. So in the next step, it is 18y is equal to 12. So the value for y will be y is equal to 12 by 18, because this 18 is in multiplication on one side. If it is being transferred to the other side, it will come down to the denominator. So the value for y is 12 by 18. On solving this or reducing to the lowest term, you will get the value for y as 2 by 3. So to conclude, the solution for this problem is y is equal to 2 by 3. This completes this problem. Now we'll move on to the next problem, that is question number 9 of the same exercise, that is 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. So we need to multiply the terms 3 inside the bracket. We need to multiply the terms 3 inside the bracket, minus 2 inside the bracket, 4 inside the bracket. So we will see how we are getting the answer in the next step, that is 3 multiplied by 5z, that is 15z, and 3 multiplied by minus 7, that is minus 21, minus 2 into 9z, that is minus 18z, minus 2 into minus 11, that is plus 22, 4 into 8z, 32z, 4 into minus 13, that is minus 52. This minus 17 is left. I am rewriting the term as it is. So in the next step, it will be minus 3z plus 1 is equal to 32z minus 69. So minus 3z minus 32z is equal to minus 69 minus 1. That is nothing but minus 70. So minus 35z is equal to minus 70. Minus and minus will get cancelled. So the value for z will be 70 divided by 35, that is equal to 2. To conclude, the value for z is 2. Now we'll move on to the next problem. Next it is question number 10. This is the last problem, children. In this question, 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. We will see how to solve this problem. 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. The same way, 0.25 into 4f, that is nothing but f. Similarly, 0.25 into minus 3, that is nothing but minus 0.75. That will give you the result as 0.05 into 10f, that is 0.5f. 0.05 into minus 9, that is minus 0.45. So in the next step, you will get the result as f minus 0.75 is equal to 0.5f minus 0.45. That is equal to f minus 0.5f is equal to minus 0.45 plus 0.75. So 1 minus 0.5 into f is equal to 0.3. So 1 minus 0.5, that is 0.5f is equal to 0.3. So the value for f will be 0.3 by 0.5. To solve this, it is a decimal number. So you have to multiply by 10 to the numerator and the denominator. That will be 30 by 50. That is nothing but f is equal to 0.6. Or you can also write it as f is equal to 0.6. Now this completes exercise 2.5. Now we are going to see with the next exercise, that is exercise 2.6. In exercise 2.6, question number 1, it is 8x minus 3 by 3x is equal to 2. So this is by cross multiplication. Let us see how to solve the problems from this exercise. So as I have told you, for the method of transposing, if it is division, it will become as multiplication, and multiplication to division. If it is addition, it is subtraction, subtraction to addition. This is for left hand side, this is for right hand side. The same concept we are going to use here also. So this 3x is in the denominator. Taking this 3x to the other side, this will become as 2 into 3x. So to eliminate this 3x, we are multiplying by 3x on both the sides. In the next step, the result will be 8x minus 3 is equal to 6x. Bringing this 6x to the other side, it is 8x minus 6x is equal to 3. So now 2x is equal to 3. The value for x is 3 by 2. Hence, the solution for this problem is x is equal to 3 by 2. We completed first problem of exercise 2.6. Now we'll move on to sum number 2 of the same exercise. First question, it is 9x by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. So we will see how to solve this one. We are having the denominator as 7 minus 6x. So what I am going to do is, I am going to multiply by 7 minus 6x on both sides. So this 7 minus 6x into 9x by 7 minus 6x is equal to 7 minus 6x into 15. The next step, this 7 minus 6x and this 7 minus 6x will get cancelled. So the value will be 9x. Now it is 7 multiplied by 15, that is 105, and minus 6x multiplied by 15, that is minus 90x. So bringing variables on one side, constant on the other side. In the next step, you can write it as 9x plus 90x is equal to 105. So 99x is equal to 105. The value for x is 105 by 99, that is nothing but 35 by 33. To conclude, the solution for this problem is x is equal to 35 by 33. This completes this problem. Now we'll move on to the third problem of the same exercise, that is z by z plus 15 is equal to 4 by 9. Again the same method. We are having 9 on one side and z plus 15 on the other side. So to eliminate this, we are going to multiply both the sides by 9 into z plus 15, which will give you the result as 9 into z plus 15 into z by z plus 15 is equal to 9 into z plus 15 into 4 by 9. So if you solve this, you will get the result as this z plus 15 and z plus 15 will get cancelled. Now it will be 9 multiplied by z, that is nothing but 9 multiplied by z, that is nothing but 9z. So 9z is equal to, so here again 9 into z, 9z plus 15. So we are having 9 into z plus 15 into 4 by 9. So here also what you can do is, you can cancel this 9 and this 9. So the result will be 4 multiplied by z, that is 4z, and 15 multiplied by 4, that is 60. So it is 9z is equal to 4z plus 60. On solving this, that is bringing variables on one side and constant on the other side, the result will be 9z minus 4z is equal to 60. 9z minus 4z is nothing but 5z. So 5z is equal to 60, and value for z is equal to 60 by 5, that is nothing but 12. To conclude, the value for z is equal to 12 is the solution of the given equation. Children, with this we are completing till third problem in exercise 2.6. We have few more problems which we will discuss in the next class, and we will complete the chapter linear equations in one variable, and thereby we will start the next chapter in the next session. So to conclude, the essence of mathematics is not to make simple things complicated, but to make complicated things simple. This is really true, children. I repeat, it is not to make simple things as complicated as you all think, but to make complicated things very simple. This was one of the quote by the famous mathematician Stan Gardner. Thank you, children.